Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Burke's Outdoors. So I think today I'm gonna go up and see if we can't get a quarter or two of smells. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they're running pretty good. I heard they were. The other night I heard they were running black, so they're pretty good size up here. So I'm hoping to get my limit, meet up with a friend, hang out for a little bit, and catch some smells. So I will check in with you guys either way, if I get some, if I don't. But until then, I'll catch you here shortly.
I leave the engine running by the dusty gravel road to share the heavy weight of every city-driven load. The northern pines are standing tall like guardsmen in a row, while the spruce trees start to whisper secrets only locals know. I see the sunbeams cutting through the cedar branches high, like lanterns hanging steady in a dark and velvet sky. Every step I take is a ribbon on the needle-covered floor, leaving all my worries back behind the cabin door. And the woods, they speak to me in a language wild and free, saying everything is gonna be alright tonight. In this cathedral made of green, in the quiet spaces in between, thank you God for making Maine my chapel in the light, finding who I am inside the pine in this timberland of mine. I've got my boots from Burke's Outdoors to handle every trail, where the mountain air is on us and the wind begins to gale. The adventures that I'm taking are the ones that led me home, through the thickets and the valleys where the velvet shadows roam. There's a healing in the south, and there's a power in the breeze, as I'm falling to my spirits down among the ancient trees. It's a sanctuary built without a single stone or brick, where the pulse of nature's heartbeat starts to click and start to stick. And the woods, they speak to me in a language wild and free, saying everything is gonna be alright tonight. In this cathedral made of green, in the quiet spaces in between, thank you God for making Maine my chapel in the light,
The old bench, just put that back out.
who I am inside the pine in this timberland of mine. It's more than just a forest, it's a place to wash my soul, where the broken parts of living start to feel a little whole. From the coast up to the highlands, where the eagle takes his flight,
Still there.
I am walking
Check out
through
Burke's
the
Outdoors.
glory of a
I put that there
pure
like
holy sight.
2 or 3 years ago. And there's another name, but we won't go there. Well, let's head her. Well, I figured I'd stop by Amma Jesus. There's still a little bit of ice out there, as you can see right there. And right off that point up there is where I'm going smelting. Doesn't look too far, but it kind of is. Hopefully we'll see a moose or something. I've always loved this little cabin right here. I'll show you. So cute, just sitting up there on the hill. Can't really see it, but pretty cool. Every time I come up in these parts, I have a lot of memories flood through, but still feels good to be up here. Well, let's quit messing around and get up there and find a spot and do some smelting, huh? Well, I tried to grab the phone as fast as I could. I saw a nice little moose. Looked like a young bull to me. Ran across the road and went up in the clear cut. But we're almost to the smelting spot. But I was hoping to get the phone out fast enough to catch the moose, but it didn't happen. But it is what it is. See you guys here shortly. And here we are. We finally made it. I had to go up here and turn my truck around, but we made it. See if we can't get some fish. And here we go. Try to find a spot before everybody else comes.
The northern wind is whispering through the needles of the pine. A rhythmic dance of spruce and bough that marks the passing time. The sunlight filters through the cedars like a lantern in the dark, igniting every shadow with a tiny golden spark. I leave the heavy world behind and step into the green to find a quiet holiness inside this ancient scene. Every branch is reaching out to brush against my sleeve in a place where it is easy to remember and believe. It's my chapel in the wildwood where the air is sweet and thin, a sanctuary waiting for the light to enter in. Walking through the Maine outdoors where the heavy spirits met. In the silence of the forest I can find myself again. Yeah, the woods, they speak to me and they say,
well guys,
it's
I know that was a short
okay.
video. I'm sorry I didn't even get us walking out, but I'll try to get a better one here soon. One scoop and we're done. I'll catch you here in a minute. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So I just got home. What a fun night we had smelting, I tell you. It was one dip and it was so heavy the net started bending. It was pretty cool. Good night for sure. Had a great time. I wanted to get a little more footage, but there was so many people coming in, I didn't want to be in their way, so I just got my limit and got out. But the little bit of video I got, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm hoping to hit it again this week. We'll see what happens, but if not, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.